Hey guys, and welcome. Let's see how many lattes we can successfully pour out of the one jug. To count as being successful, each latte needs a certain amount of froth and it also needs to have a certain level of presentability. That's why I chose the latte, so that we can see the froth level after we've poured the drink. In our first example today, we're going to be pouring just 2 lattes out of the one jug. It's quite a common practice, and you're going to see it occur at many cafes and coffee shops. However, we are going to quickly move on to pouring 4 lattes out of the one jug. This is a far less common approach to observe, especially when making dine-in drinks, as you get far less control with smaller windows of opportunity to successfully make these drinks. Most baristas will opt to simply do 2 lattes at a time, or do all 4 but with 2 separate milk jugs. There is a very specific strategy we need to use in order to increase our chances of success. Firstly, we're going to need to minimize the amount of time between finishing the espresso extraction and pouring the hot milk. This is so that we don't lose too much crema, which will impact the final finish and presentability of the drink. Secondly, we need to understand that the froth to milk ratio changes significantly during the milk pouring process. Most of the froth is poured out during the first 25% of the pour. This means that as we are attempting to make 6 lattes in this example, we need to cover all 6 lattes within the first 25% of the pour, otherwise the last lattes will not have a suitable level of froth. Thirdly, we can't leave a partially finished latte for longer than 25 seconds, as the froth will separate from the milk during this time, which is going to make it very difficult to get any nice looking latte art. In our final example for this video today, I am attempting to pour 6 lattes out of the one jug. If you ever observe this in practice, it's more likely to be an act of desperation than an act of skill. It's exceedingly difficult to split your attention between 6 drinks and try to get the same amount of froth and acceptable presentation for each drink. It's not that it's impossible, it simply requires a high level of precision and sacrifices your flexibility. You can't spend 15 seconds doing latte art on each one start to finish, as the final 3 will have the froth separating from the milk, which makes most latte art impossible. If you do like latte art and you are interested in the topic, here's a video talking about the tulip pattern and how to put it into practice on a latte. In personal practice, I will usually only pour 2 drinks out of the one jug of milk. Sometimes I'm handling 4 jugs of milk at the same time with the potential of doing 8 separate drinks, but that's a topic for another video. Thanks for watching. See you guys.